Welcome to my channel, guys. For today's vlog, I'll teach you how to make a simple procedure of making dishwashing liquid. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's prepare 15 liters of water and then 1/2 meter PVC pipe. Step to put 1 kilo of sauce and immediately stir until fully diluted. Step 3. Put 100 grams bubble enhancer powder. Step 4. Put 30 milligrams coloring antibac. Step 5. Add 30 milligrams ETA. Stir. Step 6. Put 15 milligrams antibac. Step 7. Put the 850 grams sodium chloride slowly while continue stirring. Make sure to know. Step 8. Put 15 milligrams scent. Stir in 1 minute. Step 9. Add 30 milligrams preservatives. The stir. Step 10. Put 250 grams foam booster. Step 11. Add 500 milligrams degreaser. Step 12. Add 15 milligrams moisturizer. Step 13. Put the 30 milligrams detergent builder. Step 14. Add 30 milligrams foamer. Stir. Stir for 5 minutes or more. Rest for 24 hours. Do not cover para hindi bumaho. Put into the desired bottle or packaging. Note: material are biodegradable.